Ready to take control of any road, any track, and any challenge? Introducing Tough Dog's TDR Pro Series remote reservoir shock absorbers. Precision-built shocks for serious off-road performance. Heat build-up leads to shock fade, a surefire way to lose control when it matters most. TDR Pro Series is built to handle the pressure. Superior cooling, precision response, unmatched durability. This isn't some off-the-shelf generic shock absorber. TDR Pro Series is the result of years of building, refining, and rigorous testing across Australia's toughest terrain. We've clocked countless kilometres through the harshest environments. The result? A shock that's not just built tough, it's engineered to thrive where others fail. With a robust monotube body and high-capacity remote canister, TDR Pro Series fights heat at the source, dissipating it fast to keep performance at its peak. The gas-charged canister prevents aeration, while specially formulated oil keeps everything flowing, even when conditions turn brutal. More oil, more travel, more control. The monotube design delivers maximum movement through the valving piston, boosting wheel travel, keeping shocks cooler, and providing performance you can feel. With a 60mm high-flow race piston, 67mm steel body, CNC-machined components, and a 22mm chrome piston rod, protected by a 360-degree rugged stone shield. This is serious hardware, built to take serious punishment. The threaded body also allows precise ride height adjustment to suit your specific vehicle setup. And with an inverted design to reduce unsprung weight, you get faster suspension response and a smoother, more controlled ride on and off the road. TDR Pro Series lets you dial in your ride with 8-stage rebound and 8-stage compression adjustment. Whether you're loaded with gear or facing changing terrain, you can fine-tune your setup on the fly for the ultimate in control. Fully rebuildable and backed by a 3-year, 100,000-kilometre warranty, TDR Pro Series is available now for a wide range of your favourite four-wheel drives. Feel the difference that's forged in the dirt, built for the extremes and tuned to perform. TDR Pro Series by Tough Dog. Race-bred performance that's ready to take you further.